Hi guys! So today I have something very special. I have a bag from Black Milk. Oh my god, I am so excited, so come along for the ride! So yes, I received a package today. This was really unexpected. The package coming wasn't, but the fact that I was able to get Black Milk clothing was. So what happened was they had a Facebook promotion where their Labyrinth clothing line was going to drop, and to celebrate that, all you had to do was comment on their Facebook post and tag a friend. So I did that. I mean, and I just did that because, you know, I love Labyrinth. My friend Amber loves Labyrinth, and they picked me. So I was picked to win whatever I wanted from the Labyrinth collection, and the same with Amber. She was able to pick what she wanted. So since they were only mailing to one space, I have to mail Amber's item to her, but you get to see what she got. So let me go ahead and open this bad boy up. Oh my gosh. And it's one thing, you know, to see something online and to see it, you know, in the shop, and it's another thing to actually have that item in hand, in person, to check out what it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the first item. Oh, can you see? There's a Jared on it. Oh my god, I love Labyrinth. It is like absolutely amazing. So, all right, guys. Oh, I got a skirt. So it has the beautiful print, and what's awesome, oh my gosh. So Jared with the crystal ball is on both sides. It's on the front and the back. And I ordered a medium, and it looks like the medium is going to be good. I was a little worried. I'm not sure about their sizes. Oh my gosh. So the skirt retailed for like $120, $130, something like that. And I won it. Ah! I swear, I never win anything, and I won this. So let's see what Amber got. Sorry, Amber, I'm opening your package, but I don't think she's gonna care. I think she's just absolutely thrilled that she got something. She is such a huge David Bowie fan. I mean, he is like the most important icon for her. Oh, right. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is really cute. Oh my gosh. So this is the front of this. Oh, wow. Look at that. And then the back has the Labyrinth on it. So this is just like a nice little casual jersey. Oh my god. Oh, she's gonna love this. Oh. So this is what I got. I got Gorgeous Deliciousness from Black Milk. If you haven't seen their Labyrinth collection, there might be a couple pieces still available. Just go to blackmilk.com and you can, you know, click on their drop-down menu for it. But they sell out so fast. I mean, their clothing, even though it's expensive, is very, very popular, which is why I'm so shocked that I got something. So thank you guys for, you know, hanging with me and checking out my deliciousness. Oh, I'm gonna be going on a trip to Denmark, Norway, and Sweden, and Iceland. So I'm going to try that. Oh my gosh, my camera died. Sorry guys. So anyways, I am going to Denmark, Iceland, Norway, and Sweden. And so I am going to definitely be packing this for my vacation gear. This will be so cute when I'm just trudging around those cobblestone streets. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me, and go check out some Black Milk. Maybe you'll find some goodness for yourself. And if you don't follow them on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, I suggest you do, because they have promotions and giveaways pretty frequently. Just try it out. Maybe if you enter, you might win, and it doesn't cost anything. Yay! All right, guys, take care. Oh, and don't forget to give me a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, because you will have more unboxings and lots of kitties. If you like cats, you're at the right place.